All right, guys. These are the days that we cherish at Christenson Transportation for multiple reasons. Longevity. Brian's been with us since 2012, December 2012. Worked really hard. Has done a lot, promotes Christenson very well, and we appreciate that. Mentors drivers, that helps a lot. And has overcome many things, and that takes a lot of commitment, so we appreciate that. So today we're going to present Bryan with his 1,000,000-mile ring, and this is 1,000,000 miles with Christenson Transportation. Does not come easy. It's hard to do. I really do appreciate it. Congratulate you.
Thank you.
And once again, we always bring it in perspective. 40 times around the world with Christenson Transportation. So let's give Bryan a big hand. Appreciate you.
Thank you. No speech. No words.